There's something deeply captivating about stepping into a home where every square foot feels intentional, where luxury whispers rather than shouts, and where the boundaries between indoor and outdoor living blur seamlessly. Minimalist luxury courtyard homes represent a design philosophy that's rapidly transforming how we think about compact modern living, trading excess for essence, clutter for calm, and sprawl for smart spatial choreography. These architectural gems prove that size isn't synonymous with sophistication. Instead, they celebrate the art of living well within thoughtfully curated spaces that breathe, flow, and inspire daily life with quiet elegance.
Before we delve into our exploration, allow us to extend a warm welcome back to Amica Studio. For those joining us for the first time, we invite you to subscribe for more captivating insights into home and interior design inspiration.
Minimalist luxury courtyard homes, smart space design for compact modern living. In this episode, you'll discover how minimalist courtyard design principles can revolutionize compact homes, creating sanctuaries that feel expansive despite their modest footprints. We'll explore innovative space planning strategies that maximize functionality without sacrificing aesthetic beauty, dive into material selections that define contemporary luxury, and uncover landscaping techniques that transform small outdoor areas into private oases. From clever storage solutions and multifunctional furniture arrangements to natural light optimization and seamless indoor-outdoor transitions, you'll find actionable insights for crafting a home that embodies refined simplicity, sustainable living, and the sophisticated restraint that defines true modern luxury. One. The art of spatial flow, designing courtyards that expand compact living. creating visual continuity through strategic courtyard placement. The strategic positioning of a courtyard within a compact home layout fundamentally transforms how space is perceived and experienced. By anchoring your floor plan around a central or side courtyard, you create visual axes that draw the eye outward, effectively borrowing space from the landscape and dissolving the psychological barriers of limited square footage. This design technique, often called borrowed scenery in minimalist architecture, allows rooms to feel substantially larger as sightlines extend beyond walls into greenery, sky, and natural light. Floor-to-ceiling glass panels or sliding door systems along courtyard-facing walls amplify this effect, creating a seamless dialogue between interior and exterior realms while maintaining the clean lines essential to minimalist luxury aesthetics. Multifunctional zones that adapt to daily rhythms. Modern compact courtyard homes thrive on flexible spatial arrangements that serve multiple purposes throughout the day without feeling cluttered or compromised. Consider designing your courtyard-adjacent spaces as transformable zones, a breakfast nook that converts to a home office, a meditation corner that doubles as an evening cocktail spot, or a dining area that seamlessly extends onto courtyard pavers for al fresco entertaining. The key lies in selecting furniture with refined profiles and incorporating smart storage solutions that disappear when not in use, built-in banquettes with lift-up seating, wall-mounted fold-down tables crafted from premium materials like walnut or marble, and modular seating elements that reconfigure based on needs. This approach to space planning honors the minimalist principle that less is more while ensuring your compact home performs with the versatility of a much larger residence. Vertical living, maximizing height in courtyard-centered designs. When horizontal space comes at a premium, sophisticated courtyard homes leverage vertical dimensions to create drama, functionality, and perceived spaciousness. Double-height spaces adjacent to courtyards not only flood interiors with abundant natural light but also establish architectural grandeur that defies the home's compact footprint. Incorporate floating staircases with glass or cable railings that maintain visual transparency. Install floor-to-ceiling storage systems in subtle neutral palettes that blend with walls, and consider mezzanine levels for sleeping or study areas that overlook the courtyard below. Brands like Bulltop and Polyform offer sleek vertical storage solutions that integrate seamlessly into minimalist interiors, while custom millwork can be designed to maximize every inch of wall space without overwhelming the refined aesthetic that defines luxury compact living. Two. Material poetry, selecting finishes that define understated elegance. The timeless appeal of natural stone in minimalist courtyards. Natural stone stands as the cornerstone of minimalist luxury, offering textural richness and organic variation that synthetic materials simply cannot replicate. In compact courtyard homes, the strategic use of limestone, travertine, or honed granite creates visual coherence between indoor and outdoor spaces while establishing a sophisticated material palette that ages gracefully. Consider running the same stone flooring from your living area directly into the courtyard, eliminating thresholds and reinforcing the sense of continuous space, a technique that makes even modest homes feel palatial. The subtle veining in natural stone provides visual interest without pattern overload, while its thermal mass helps regulate temperature in courtyard microclimates, contributing to both aesthetic appeal and environmental sustainability. Warm minimalism through carefully selected wood elements. While minimalist design often conjures images of stark white spaces, the most inviting compact luxury homes incorporate warm wood tones that humanize the aesthetic and create emotional resonance. Select wood species with natural character, white oak with its gentle grain patterns, teak for weather-resistant courtyard applications, or walnut for interior cabinetry that adds depth without darkness. The grain and honey tones of quality would introduce organic texture that prevents minimalist spaces from feeling cold or institutional, while maintaining the clean lines essential to the design philosophy. Whether deployed as accent walls, ceiling treatments, integrated storage, or courtyard decking, wood brings biophilic warmth that connects inhabitants to nature even within highly designed environments. Concrete and metal, industrial refinement in modern context. Polished concrete floors and brushed metal accents represent the intersection of minimalist aesthetics and practical durability, essential considerations in compact homes where surfaces work harder and where patterns emerge faster. Modern concrete finishing techniques, including acid staining, aggregate exposure, and ultra-smooth troweling, transform this humble material into a luxury surface that reflects light beautifully while requiring minimal maintenance. Pair concrete's matte texture with carefully selected metal elements, brushed stainless steel kitchen fixtures, blackened steel window frames, or bronze hardware, to create subtle material contrasts that add sophistication without busyness. Companies like Gaggenau and Miele design appliances with seamless metal finishes that integrate invisibly into minimalist kitchens, proving that functional elements can elevate rather than compromise your design vision. Three. Light architecture, illumination strategies for compact courtyard living. Harnessing natural light through courtyard design. The courtyard itself functions as a light well, capturing and distributing natural illumination throughout the home in ways that conventional window arrangements simply cannot achieve. By designing your courtyard with reflective surfaces, light-colored paving, white-rendered walls, or even a small water feature that bounces light, you amplify available daylight and channel it deep into interior spaces that might otherwise require artificial illumination. Consider the sun's path when orienting your courtyard. South-facing orientations, in the northern hemisphere, maximize year-round light penetration, while strategic overhangs or pergolas prevent summer overheating without blocking winter sun. This passive solar design approach reduces energy consumption while creating the bright, airy atmosphere that defines minimalist luxury living. Layered lighting design for atmospheric flexibility. Sophisticated compact homes employ multiple lighting layers, ambient, task, accent, and decorative, that work in concert to create different moods and support various activities within limited square footage. Recessed LED fixtures provide general illumination without visual clutter, while picture lights or gallery systems highlight artwork and architectural features that define your personal aesthetic. In courtyard-adjacent spaces, consider linear LED strips concealed beneath floating shelves or within ceiling coves that wash walls with soft indirect light, making rooms feel larger while maintaining the clean surfaces essential to minimalist design. For the courtyard itself, uplighting strategically placed at the base of specimen plants or architectural walls creates dramatic nighttime scenery visible from interior spaces, transforming your compact home into an ever-changing light sculpture. Integrating smart lighting technology for seamless control. Modern luxury increasingly means intelligent systems that respond to your lifestyle without requiring constant manual adjustment or cluttering spaces with visible controls. Smart lighting platforms from manufacturers like Lutron or Control4 allow you to program lighting scenes that shift throughout the day, energizing morning brightness, focused work lighting, relaxed evening ambience, and subtle security illumination, all controlled via smartphone or voice command. In compact courtyard homes where every switch plate and control panel impacts visual simplicity, wireless smart systems preserve clean walls while offering unprecedented flexibility. Circadian lighting programs that gradually shift color temperature to mirror natural daylight patterns support wellness and reinforce the connection to outdoor spaces that courtyard homes celebrate. Four. Green sanctuaries, landscape design for intimate outdoor rooms. Curating plant palettes for year-round courtyard interest. A thoughtfully planted courtyard transforms compact homes into private sanctuaries where nature's rhythms provide daily inspiration and seasonal markers. In minimalist landscape design, restraint in plant selection creates maximum impact. Choose a limited palette of complementary species rather than botanical collections that create visual chaos in small spaces. Architectural plants with strong forms, Japanese maples with sculptural branching, columnar evergreens that add vertical emphasis, or ornamental grasses that introduce movement, serve as living artwork visible from interior spaces throughout the year. Layer in seasonal interest through carefully selected flowering specimens, a single specimen cherry tree for spring drama, fragrant gardenias or jasmine for summer evenings, and ornamental kale or decorative branches for winter structure. Hardscape elements that define outdoor living zones. Even the most compact courtyards benefit from thoughtful hardscape design that creates distinct functional zones without physical barriers that would fragment precious space. Use changes in paving material, shifting from large format pavers to fine gravel, or from wood decking to stone, to subtly delineate areas for dining, lounging, or gardening without erecting walls or fences. Built-in seating constructed from the same materials as boundary walls appears integral to the architecture rather than furniture cluttering the space, while providing essential function. A single water feature, a minimal fountain, reflecting pool, or rill, introduces the calming sound of moving water that masks urban noise and creates a meditative atmosphere, transforming your courtyard from outdoor space to outdoor sanctuary. Sustainable landscaping practices for low-maintenance luxury. True modern luxury embraces environmental responsibility, and compact courtyard landscapes offer ideal opportunities to implement sustainable practices that reduce maintenance while supporting local ecosystems. Native and climate-appropriate plantings require less water, fewer chemical inputs, and minimal pruning compared to exotic species, allowing your landscape to thrive with benign neglect rather than constant intervention. Incorporate permeable paving materials that allow rainwater infiltration, install drip irrigation systems controlled by smart moisture sensors, and consider a small composting area disguised within your landscape design to close the loop on organic waste. Brands like Rainbird offer sophisticated irrigation solutions that can be programmed remotely, ensuring your courtyard garden receives optimal water without waste, a perfect marriage of technology and environmental stewardship. Five. Seamless transitions, blurring boundaries between inside and out. Architectural elements that connect interior and courtyard. The true magic of courtyard homes emerges when interior and exterior spaces function as a unified whole rather than separate realms. Large-scale sliding or folding door systems, whether minimal frame aluminum, traditional wood, or even frameless glass, literally erase boundaries when opened, allowing spaces to merge during temperate weather while maintaining thermal separation when necessary. Extend interior flooring materials directly into the courtyard, or create subtle transitions through complementary textures that signal the shift without creating visual disruption. Roof overhangs or pergolas extending from interior ceiling planes reinforce architectural continuity, creating covered transition zones that function as outdoor rooms while protecting glazing from harsh sun and connecting the home's interior volumes to landscape beyond. Climate control strategies for year-round courtyard enjoyment. Sophisticated courtyard homes incorporate climate modification strategies that extend usable outdoor time throughout changing seasons without resorting to energy-intensive heating or cooling. Radiant heating embedded in courtyard paving provides gentle warmth that makes cool-season outdoor dining comfortable, while misting systems or evaporative cooling can make summer courtyards viable in hot climates. Strategic planting of deciduous trees admits welcome winter sun while providing cooling summer shade, working with rather than against natural climate patterns. For true four-season use, consider retractable glass roof systems or operable louvers that allow you to modulate weather exposure, though these solutions work best when detailed meticulously to maintain the clean lines essential to minimalist design rather than appearing as afterthought additions. Outdoor furnishing for minimalist aesthetic continuity. The furniture and accessories you select for courtyard spaces should echo interior design principles, creating aesthetic coherence that reinforces the sense of expanded living area rather than feeling like an outdoor room decorated in contrasting style. Choose weather-resistant pieces with the same refined lines and quality materials as interior furnishings, powder-coated aluminum with slim profiles, teak with natural oil finishes, or outdoor fabrics in neutral palettes that coordinate with interior textiles. Resist the temptation to overfurnish compact courtyards. A single-statement dining table or perfectly positioned lounge chair often creates more impact than multiple competing elements. Accessories should be equally restrained, perhaps a single sculptural planter, understated outdoor lighting, and weather-resistant cushions in textures that invite touch without introducing pattern complexity. Conclusion. In a world that often equates luxury with square footage and embellishment with sophistication, minimalist courtyard homes offer a refreshing counter-narrative, one where quality supersedes quantity, where thoughtful curation replaces thoughtless accumulation, and where compact footprints liberate rather than limit. These spaces remind us that true luxury isn't measured in excess but in the freedom that comes from living with exactly what we need, beautifully considered and perfectly placed. By embracing smart space design principles, integrating nature through courtyard elements, and selecting materials and furnishings with both aesthetic and functional intention, even the most modest homes can deliver extraordinary living experiences that nourish daily life. As you envision your own minimalist luxury courtyard home, remember that this design philosophy isn't about deprivation or rigid rules. It's an invitation to discover what truly matters to you and create space for those essentials to shine. Whether you're planning a new build, reimagining an existing compact home, or simply seeking inspiration for thoughtful renovations, the principles explored here can guide your journey toward a home that feels both expansive and intimate, sophisticated yet comfortable, modern while remaining timeless. We'd love to hear how you're incorporating these ideas into your own space, what courtyard dreams are taking shape in your imagination, and how minimalist luxury might transform your daily living experience.